So hey there, welcome to another video and I hope you all are doing well, all you are doing great stuff. So yeah, as I promised, I'm back with another Marrow series video, and if you haven't watched my recent video reacting to my second year MBBS result, link is in the description, link is in the I button, go there, watch it and show some love. Okay, so today in this video, I'll be sharing that how I studied in my second year, how I passed my second year using college lecture, using Marrow videos and using standard textbook. So if you want to know that, just stick to this video and watch the video till the end. So a very brief idea to the second year. Second year contain 4 subjects: pathology, pharmacology, microbiology and forensic medicine. So what happened with me in my second year, that it was a lockdown period. So that time all the college lectures were paused. They have settled online lecture, but it took time to settle. So that time I took my Marrow first subscription and I started watching videos from that. And believe me, that time I was able to do all the things, all the topic very well by myself, doing self-study. But right now colleges are started, physical lectures are started. What you have to do is you have to go to the college, you have to take a note from the college lecture, you have to do the Marrow video simultaneously, and you have to do the things from the standard textbook. That currently I am in third year right now, following this chronology. So you have to follow this chronology in all the subjects. So now let's focus on pathology first without wasting time. So pathology is basically a complex subject to understand, and it becomes very complex if you read it first from the Robbins. Like मैंने first inflammation पढ़ा था and I was like ये topic खत्म क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, इतना बड़ा topic है और मैं कैसे याद रखूँगा. But my strategy for the patho is to like make a rough note from college lecture, then watch the video from the Marrow and then read it from the Robbins. Okay, and after like watching Ila मैम्स lecture आपको लगेगा like ये इतना simple topic था and Robbins में इतना complex दिया है, तो वो एक easy कर देता है आपके लिए to understand. And Ila ma'am's lecture are very conceptual and very easy to understand. So second thing in Ila ma'am's lecture which I like the most is that she has described most of the topic in tabulated form. So before one day of exam, if you just take that table, revise that table, write that table in exam and get the good marks. And it is a table, so it hardly took 20 minutes to revise. Con is that some topic in the pathology Marrow videos like skin and soft tissue, they are more focused toward the NEET PG and they have a less content, so you can't write enough thing in your exam from that videos. So you have to directly read the book for that topics. For the Viva purpose of pathology, what is Viva? Basically, it is a testing of the basic knowledge. Okay, so I have made a separate book and sticky notes. Some sticky notes are here, some in my notebook, and in that I have written a disease with the same origin, disease which have same identification point. So it actually saves lots of time a day before exam. Pearls are pretty much helpful for the short Viva question and slide identification points are also well covered in Marrow. But what I did is that कि जब भी हमारे कॉलेज में स्लाइड दिखाते थे तो मैं उनका जो आइडेंटिफिकेशन पॉइंट है वो साइड में ही लिख देता था फोटो खींच के. तो डे बिफोर एग्जाम वो टाइम भी बचाता है एंड ईजी टू अंडरस्टैंड भी है. Now let's move on to the big topic, that is of pharmacology. So what happened before lockdown, हमारे कॉलेज में बहुत अच्छे लेक्चर्स होते थे फार्माकोलॉजी के. So वहाँ से मैंने ANS एंड जो जनरल फार्माकोलॉजी है वहाँ उसके नोट्स बनाए थे एंड आफ्टर टेकिंग Marrow मैंने वो वीडियोस को सिर्फ देख लिया. एंड आफ्टर दैट ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग आई हैव जस्ट वॉच ऑल द वीडियोज ऑफ डॉक्टर रंजन पटेल सर्स फॉर माई प्रॉफ एग्जाम, फॉर माई नीट एग्जाम, ऑल दैट. ओके, एंड बिलीव मी, यू कैन राइट enough thing, enough content, okay, enough pages in your prof exam from that lectures. What problem with the KDT is that KDT is a bit big and like very complex to understand. So if you have time, you can go for that KDT. Otherwise, sir's lecture are enough. Although some topics are missing in sir's lecture and that are like aromatase inhibitor or tocolytics, and they are well covered in KDT. So do that topic from the KDT only. For the Viva purpose of pharmacology, of course, your notes and pearls are very much useful. But one strategy that I followed is that make a separate book of drug of choices, because most of the thing pharmacology Viva में drug of choices ज़्यादा पूछते हैं. So make a separate book of drug of choices of every system, so it saves lots of time and it make easy for you to understand very well. I have made a separate book of drug of choices. Okay, if you want, put a yes in comment box. I'll share soon. Now let's talk about microbiology. So honestly speaking, that I read first microbiology from the book, and that is Apurva Shastri, and then I watched the videos at 1.8x because ma'am's lecture are conceptual but speed is bit low, so you have to watch at very high speed. Okay, now this way I revise the book and I added some extra point from Marrow to my book. Some topics in ma'am's lecture are very conceptual and they have like good enough amount of content like Salmonella, malaria. So you can directly write that topic in your exam from your Marrow notes. One thing I started in microbiology in early days, that making a mind map, like one bacteria, one page, one virus, one page, and it saves lots of time and it actually makes easy for you to understand microbiology well, but it is very time consuming, so I dropped that idea. If you have a time, you can go for that. It's the best way to learn the microbiology. And now let's move on to the forensic medicine. So for forensic medicine, your college lecture and your book is enough. Okay, Marrow lectures I have not tried right now and I will use that in future. So that's the today's short brief video that how Marrow helped me during my prof exam. Next video I'll share is a timetable to watch the video and how you can complete Marrow videos in short time. And अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है और भी ऐसे वीडियो चाहिए मैरो रिलेटेड, मेडिकल फील्ड रिलेटेड, तो प्लीज़ हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन, हिट द बेल आइकन। मिलेंगे हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।